everyone, my name is Flo and I cannot see with this contacts. I bought some new Morphe makeup and I got the base products. I got the foundation and the concealer, and I'm just gonna start right away with the concealer to cover the eyes, and then I will do a nice little wing moment. So I wanted to put on tape. This is like my thing that I do now. I will not do an eye makeup look without tape. You should try it. I have this cool Sephora palette that I got for last Christmas, I believe. And I wanted to do a neutral color because, you know, neutral colors, safe. We're all scared to play with colors. I mean, I don't know about most people nowadays. I feel like everybody likes to do crazy eye colors, but I'm a little basic when it comes to eyeshadow. Just kidding. I just don't want to try hard enough, because when I try hard enough, it just doesn't work. For the eyeshadow, we're starting with a neutral color on the crease. With a denser brush, pick up some brown eyeshadow, most likely darker than the one you put on your crease. And go ahead and start right in the outer corner where you put the tape. And go ahead and blend that in really well on the outside, and then bring it in across. And then you want to bring that in across your crease halfway, and just blend that slightly.
She said no one wants to see this old lady, they want to see a young kitty.
You're done.
Don't let this boomer tell you what to do, Mom.
That way you can keep it concentrated on the crease, but mostly in the outer corner. Because you have that tape, once you take it out, it's gonna come out really clean. So don't worry about going on top of the tape. That's what you want to do. This way, you know it's blended properly, and when you take the tape off, it's not gonna have squiggly lines. I'm sorry, I just got like called a boomer. I'm sorry. Anyways, moving on. Why does he always come in the middle of my videos? Anyway, so yeah, start with a darker shade, and since you have the tape, you can really get in there. Just go all out. It's not gonna go anywhere, because once you take that tape off, it's gonna be so clean. This is all about the outer corners and the crease. I did put a matte white shade all over the lid, and then I went back on the crease with a darker shadow just to deepen it a little bit more. Yeah, this is one of my favorite looks to do. I wanted a more intense shimmer, so I wet my brush with some setting spray, and then I went ahead with the eyeshadow, and as you can see, made it a little more metallic, a little more shimmery, you know, a little more pop. We like the pop, okay? Voiceovers are not my favorite, okay? Anyways, moment of truth. Wow. And then I just went under with a brush just to clean that up. And now you can start your base. Here's the Morphe Foundation. This foundation is pretty light. I did have to go a couple times to build some coverage, but overall I thought it was nice. It does take a long time to build that coverage, like I said, but whatever. Here I am rocking the Rihanna brands, okay? Concealer, Fenty, and savagexfenty pajamas. Now I'm letting my eyebrows grow. I don't know why. My eyebrows are very sparse. They're just all over the place, but I'm just filling them in a little bit and brushing them. That was a ColourPop brow pencil. Now, kind of following the same pattern that you did on your eyes, I'm going to do the same at the bottom. So darken out the outer edges and then bring it into the inner corner and go with a shimmer in the inner corner to blend it a little better so it's not all dark all the way. moment of truth with my Sephora liner. And I actually did it. It never comes out great, my eyeliner. I don't know. But the lashes kind of hide everything. I love this Kylie Bronzer. This is before her new formula, so I haven't tried the new formula yet. I'm sure it's good. But I love the shade because it's like a little khaki moment. You know, I think that's the name of the shadow actually of the bronzer. I got a big forehead, so I just go all in. What is your favorite bronzer? Because I have a couple, but I don't know. I feel like I don't use all my bronzers. Do you have a favorite? I don't know. And I love putting my bronzer high on my cheekbones instead of under the cheekbone, just to give me that more lifted look. And I like to suck in my cheeks a little bit so the cheekbone pops out a little bit. I'm not the best at nose contouring, honestly. This is what I do. Pretty sloppy, but it works. I go around my chin and on my jawline. Make sure you blend it down as well. Sometimes I don't, but if I'm going outside, you know, in real life, you want to blend it down. Oh, I guess I kind of did blend it down a little bit. Get that good. Then go over everything with a bigger brush. And with the L'Oreal, now this is like a powder foundation, very thick and full on coverage. And I use that to clean under my cheekbones so that it's more sharp. And then I also put that on my forehead a little bit and under the eyes. It really does do a good job at covering everything. I know you know that song. I know you know that song. Now some blush moments. I'm not sure I showed you what blush I was using. Did anybody see it? Because I can't even tell you. This video is like 2 weeks old. Oh my goodness. And then with the powder foundation again from L'Oreal, just go a little bit over everywhere. Mattify your face. This e.l.f. lipstick, liquid lipstick I mean, it's called Praline, I guess she's saying. And then with the Beauty Creations X Murillo twins. I love this lip liner. It could be a little waxy and it's not very sharp, but if you know how to use it, then you get away with doing a good job. I just like the color and it's very creamy. But this liquid lipstick right here is everything, okay? Praline by e.l.f. Go get it. It's probably like $3. e.l.f. is stepping their game up, okay? Like, do not underestimate e.l.f. or Wet n Wild right now. Yeah, don't. It's the best. It's really, really good. Go get some stuff. This is my little Sephora trio. It's the newest addition in my makeup. It comes with highlighter, which is what I'm using, and then the blush is pretty cute. It has some shimmer on it too, but this highlight is popping. There's 2 highlights, so I'm using the lightest one, I believe. Yeah. No, I guess not. The middle one looks lighter than that, but very affordable. I think it was like 17 bucks or 15 bucks or something. It's like a trio. Are you kidding me? But anyways, guys, I think this is about it. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see my upcoming videos. I have a lot of videos, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Here are some cringiness. Go to sleep. I can't even fall asleep.